today is making slime. So look at what's made now. I'm trying to do a clear now. Look, what's these cups? Happy cups. And this is adder tape. So, let me show you.
We made this one.
Yeah, then I can make a clear one.
Now we're gonna make a clear one.
So,
we need 15 mLs of glue.
Glue. Mommy needs to do the little one and I need to do the big one. So I don't get it on my dress. Yeah. Okay, it's so slimy, right, guys?
Here, we can make a big one actually. Go, pour it. This one's yours. Pour it inside the cup.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Kela. Careful. Okay, don't squeeze it. It's okay. Do you want to make a big one or a small one?
I'll make a big one.
Okay, so let's double the ingredients. So I'm gonna double it and put more glue. Don't drop it, please. Uh-oh. And then we need to put water.
Water.
So Mommy needs this, and I will be right back for this one. Be careful. Now you could here stir. Not in the world.
Yeah.
Use this side.
Okay.
Stir. Should we make it blue or should we just make it clear like this? What do you want?
Let's make it clear.
Okay, so just make it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, just keep stirring it and then we put 10.
But I'll make some glue.
Careful, what do you want? You want to put glitter in it?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Oh, the shelly.
Okay, well, that's all the glitter we have, miss.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, enough. Thank you. It's all over your dress. Stop touching. It's gonna go everywhere. Oh my gosh. Girlfriend. Look what you did. Okay. Now we're gonna do... Don't touch your dress. Don't touch everything else, please.
Keep mixing. Okay.
And then now we're gonna put, not that one. We're gonna use the slime activator. You're gonna show them slime activator. Say slime activator.
Slime activator.
Okay. Wait, I can't see. Hold on. Measure it. I think that will do. Okay, go. Pour it. Alright. Mommy, do it real quick. Let me get these. How did it? Oh my gosh.
Slime activator.
Okay, now stir away, kid.
Okay.
Softly.
It's so slimy, right, guys? Look at this one. This one's bigger. Okay.
We're going to try to make it look like that, huh?
Yeah. I want look at like this. I want to make it like a square. I make
It's slowly doing it. See?
yeah. And that was being Landon, then that's gonna be yours.
Okay.
But you want
So you could keep stirring this one and then Mommy will make one here too. All the slime.
Add a bait.
So we're doing 30.
mixing.
Yes, keep mixing.
Yeah, it looks like bubbles.
It is. Stir slowly. Oh my gosh, I have glitter all over me.
Yeah, you do. And me, look it.
I know, my gosh. We're
Now
so glittery.
Yeah. I'll go with Mommy, I don't help you. Mix it. Okay, guys, look at oh my god.
Sorry.
Look at guys, this is too big for Mommy.
A little bit.
Yeah.
And Mommy's gonna make mine with blue. It's just gonna be blue. So this is
Kela's?
the color that I want mine to be.
What's yours gonna be?
Just gonna be blue. There's gonna not be a lot of glitter in it.
Can you share that?
Share what?
This or that?
Yeah. 1 second.
That looks like paint.
A little bit. So I'm gonna make mine blue. Go, stir. Maybe we should put a little more glue. Doesn't seem like it's... This one isn't coming out like that one. Wonder why. I should put a little more. That one has the blue and the glitter.
But I want to make blue too.
And we're gonna use...
Like yours. Yours look like so pretty.
Be
Okay, hold on. We know.
10 mLs.
Use this one for.
How come that one didn't turn like... Whoa. See, that one's really... This one's becoming like super gooey. I don't know why this one isn't. Let me stir it. Here, you stir this one. I will do this one.
Wow.
This reminds me of... This one reminds me of Little Mermaid.
Yeah.
And then that one reminds me of the ocean. What do you think?
I think this one's from zombies because they have blue hair, but and zombies come to you too. Subscribe below, and if you want to see more Kela shorts, subscribe below. Flip, hurry!
You're so funny.
And 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I thought we put the activator in this one already, didn't we?
Yeah, but how it is not doing it?
We're just gonna wing it and just put whatever, because this one, I have no idea why it's not working.
It seems on such in it, Nate.
I know, but I don't know why this one isn't working as much.
And you guys, how it's not working? I saw us put activator and this one's still working.
No, this one's slowly working now. See?
Yeah.
This one works a little,
Yeah, this one
but
works.
it's not as slimy as the other ones.
I need to go on the other side.
We're okay right here. We just need to get our slime to work, huh?
Yeah.
So I think the only issue we have is this one. It's not slimy.
This one is slimy too. The other one is way better because that one's harder.
Why it's not working? Come on.
That's the one the whipper band. That's the one the whipper band. Maybe, Mommy, I just think this one, that one looks like water.
Let's just do a little thing here that we made. So this was our first batch that we didn't get on camera, right?
Yeah.
And this one came out the way we wanted it to.
Yeah.
It's actually like slime.
Yeah,
But
then
we tried to make different ones.
yeah.
We doubled the ingredient, but it didn't turn out like that one. This one is getting thicker, but it's very slimy.
Yeah, this one's very slimy.
I mean, not slimy, it's called watery. And then we have this one that is super watery.